This is our infrared sauna, and it's a really powerful infrared sauna. What's happening with infrared sauna is that it opens up the pores and allows the toxins to be released from your body. And so what you're doing is you are sitting in this sauna. We close this up. We put a towel around your neck, and then your head is up. And that way, when your head is up, you're not breathing in the toxins. And so it gives the body a chance to release the toxins without you pulling it back into your system. And so you can go 15 minutes, to a half hour. And by the time you're done, you are really sweaty. This really kicks out the heat. And so it's a powerful, powerful infrared sauna. So come enjoy it.